Friends, how are all of you? I hope you must be enjoying your classes. So today we are going to start our English literature book with chapter 1, Who is Happy. In this chapter we are having four birds. One is crow, name is Piku, other one is swan, Sona, parrot, name is Mithu, and the last one is a peacock whose name is Krish. Okay. In this story starts with a crow, Piku, who is very much satisfied in his life. Why is he satisfied? Because he is gifted means God has given him the gift. The gift is that he is having a very clever mind. His beak is very strong, and we all know that crow is an omnivorous animal. That means he can eat whatever he gets. He is having a very tough body, and he is having very strong wings to fly high in the sky. And our grandparents, they used to tell their grandchildren the story of a clever crow who was able to quench his thirst when he was very much thirsty on a very hot summer day, and he got a pitcher, very little water, so he was able to drink the water by throwing stones in that pitcher by using his clever mind. But what happens one day Piku the crow, he came across a beautiful swan, white swan, Sona. And when he sees white swan, Sona, suddenly he feels that Sona is really very pretty. And he goes to Sona and he tells that you are the prettiest bird in the world. And because you are so pretty because of your white color feathers, so you must be the happiest bird in the world. But Sona says that I was happiest, really, I was very happy until I saw Mithu. Now, who is Mithu, children? Mithu is a lovely parrot. So, Sona says that Mithu's green feathers, green coat means his green feathers, and his red beak makes him really very very attractive. So I am not the happy bird in the world because I am not so pretty. My feathers are only white in color. There is no color in my feathers, only white color, and my beak is also very dull and plain, very plain, very pale beak, that means very light in color. So I am not very happy. Now after listening this, Piku goes to Mithu and he says that Mithu, you are blessed with means again God has given Mithu a very bright colored body. His body is of green color and he is having a red beautiful beak. So he says that you are very happy bird and you must be the happiest bird in the world. That means no other bird is as happy as you are, and you are happy because you are very pretty. But Mithu says, Piku, you are praising me and I appreciate that you are praising me. I thanks you a lot, but I am not the happiest bird because I was also thinking same that I am very pretty, but one day I met Krish. Now who is Krish, children? Krish is a peacock. So one day I saw Krish, he was looking majestic because he was spreading his tail on a rainy day. On a rainy day, he was dancing by spreading his tail, and we all know that when peacock dances by spreading his tail, and really he looks majestic. Majestic means really very very impressive, very very beautiful. So Mithu says to this Piku that I am not very beautiful. Peacock's beauty is really appreciable. After listening this, Piku the crow, he goes in search of Krish, but he does not find Peacock the Krish in the forest. Because why he was not able to find? Because Peacock has been caught. He was put into the zoo. Now children, why Krish was caught? Krish the peacock, because he is very beautiful. That is why he was caught. And he was put into the jail. And so many people have come there to admire his beauty. And Piku has to wait whole day long to meet Krish because so many visitors were there to admire the beauty of the Krish. So in the evening, Piku goes to Krish and he says, "Good evening, Krish, and I really appreciate that you are the most beautiful bird because so many people have come to the zoo to admire your beauty. So you must be very happy because you are so beautiful. You must be very happy." But children, Krish says that I was really proud of my beauty. But what happened? My beauty made me unhappy because I am not free now. People are admiring my beauty, but I am not happy because I am not free. And children, this weekend, since these days, because of lockdown, we are not able to come out of our houses, we are not able to play, we are not able to go to school, and so what is happening that we are also feeling ourselves like we are put in the jail because we are not free. Okay, so freedom is the most important thing. So Krish tells Piku that freedom is what gives us real joy and happiness, and it's not the beauty. So the most important thing is the freedom. You are free, so you are the happy bird. Krish says Piku that you are free, so you are happy, not me because I am put into the jail. So, children, at the end of the story, Piku realizes that whenever we start making unnecessary comparisons with others, because there was no such comparison between Piku and Krish. Krish was no doubt very beautiful, but Piku is the happiest bird because he was free. So we should not make unnecessary comparisons with anybody, and if we will make comparisons we will become very sad. So we must value what we have, whether we are beautiful or not, whether we are having that which our friend is having, whether we are having that, it doesn't matter. We must be happy with what we have. So the moral of the story is we must value the things what we have. That is the real happiness, children. Now, a very small exercise at the back of your chapter. MCQs. Human beings tell the story of clever crow. Okay. Second one is, whom does Piku sees first? Yes, children, whom does Piku sees first? Sona. He meets Sona, the white swan, first. Mithu is not happy because he was jealous of Piku. He was jealous of Peacock Krish, who was more beautiful. So Piku was not happy because Peacock was more beautiful. Piku visits Krish in the zoo. Yes, Piku visits Krish in the zoo. Krish feels that dash is more important than beauty. So children, what is more important? Yes, very right. Freedom is more important than, I am putting a red mark there at the answers. Now we come to true and false. Pico becomes sad when he compares himself with Sona, the beautiful swan. Whether this is true or false? Yes, it is true. I am trying to write down T. Sona is happy with how she looks. Was Sona happy? No, she was not happy. So I am putting a cross over here. Cross means false. Okay. Krish is happy to be in the cage. True or false? This is also false. How can be one happy being in the cage? No, one can't. We remain happy all the time when we are content with what we have. Yes, when we are satisfied with what we are having, then we remain happy, children. Okay, so complete your back exercise and go through the chapter. Read the chapter. Okay, children. Bye.